Hey, Maddie. You having fun? Let's go. We're almost there. Let's go. I'm having a great time. What's in there, bud? What is it? I don't think you might want to tangle with what's in there. I think it's a badger, bud. Come on, let's go. I don't think you want to handle the badger. Come on, he's gonna eat you. The snow provides a quiet and a peace that I don't get to find all the time, and I'm very grateful for it. Almost back to the truck. Been out for about 4 hours in my soaked Levi's, snowshoeing and a couple miles and taking care of the camper and the property up there where we're going to have the retreat sometime. Every time I do something that challenges me and helps me silence myself, I find joy and I find gratitude. And the noise dies down and